Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's on tutorial. In this video, we are discuss about assignment 2, solution of effective writing. सबसे पहले मैंने पिछले असाइनमेंट 1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का ऑप्शन नंबर डी चूज किया था मिस्टेक से, जो कि गलत है। आप लोग इस ऑप्शन नंबर डी को अनटिक करके ऑप्शन नंबर बी को टिक कर लेंगे। दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी। चलिए अब हम असाइनमेंट 1 पे चलते हैं। So here you can see that the first question is, which among the following are trait of inappropriate use of language? First, grammatically correct but semantically ambiguous sentence. Second, language used to devise uppers या chorus. Third, use of word in right context. D, all of the above. So the explanation of question number first is here. Appropriate tense, meaning of is confined not only to word but to their use in context. Sentence can be grammatically correct but semantically ambiguous. Language used to devise a phrase या course is inappropriate. So the correct answer is, from my point of view, option number A and B. But I am some doubt, so I am not tick this option. You take care. Question number second. Essay were popularized by. So the explanation of question number second is here. Essay were popularized by French philosopher and statesman Michel de Montaigne in 1580. So the correct answer is question number second is option number B. Question number third. Which among the following are source of ambiguity in a language? First, relative word. Second, grammatically ambiguity. Third, ellipse. Fourth, all of the above. So the explanation of question number third is here. Source of ambiguity is relative word, word with double meaning, unusual word, grammatically ambiguity, ellipses. So the correct answer is question number third is option number D. Question number 4. A good dash should blend several ideas into just one या two sentence. First, thesis statement. Second, paragraph. Third, body of the essay. Fourth, essay. So the explanation of question number 4 is here. A good thesis statement should blend several ideas into just one or two sentences. So the correct answer is question number 4 is option number A, thesis statement. Question number 5. Facts are given more important than thought of the writer in reflective essay, narrative essay, expository essay, descriptive essay. So the explanation of question number 5 is here. Fact rather than thought is more important in expository essay. So the correct answer is question number 5 is option number C. Question number 6. Which among the following must be avoided while writing an effective essay? Use of rhetorical question and hyperbole, use of difficult and ambiguous word, incorporating fact, data and other analytic information. Fourth, short and to the point statement. So the explanation of question number 6 is here. Thing to avoid: use of colloquial language and slangs, limiting other, use of difficult and ambiguous word, use too many quotations. So the correct answer is question number 6 is option number B. Question number 7. Dash help in understanding the gap in research, literature review, reference, footnote, keyboard. So the explanation of question number 7 is here. Help in understanding the gap in literature review. So the correct answer is question number 7 is option number A. Question number 8. Which is a requisite of a standard book review? First, to offer a biased view. Second, to present a partial evaluation of the content. Third, to point out the merit and cover the pitfall of the book. Fourth, to introduce the book to the reader. So the explanation of question number 8 is here. Requisite of a standard book review is to introduce the book to the reader. So the correct answer is question number 8 is option number D. Question number 9. What is described as the essential launching pad for nearly all scholarly career by Stephen Jay Gould? First, essay; second, bibliography; second, third, conference paper; fourth, book review. So the explanation of question number 9 is here. The essential launching pad for nearly all scholarly career is conference paper. So the correct answer is question number 9 is option number C. Question number 10. A dash is a specialized form of expository writing. First, short story; second, research paper; third, poem; fourth, play. So the explanation of question number 10 is here. A research paper is a specialized form of expository writing. So the correct answer is question number 10 is option number B. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next assignment.